Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to the BSS Tech. Today we are introducing the new ribbon of drawing in PowerPoint. So if you want to insert any kind of shape, you can select from here and you can select any kind of shape you want and you can simply select it from here and you can put it there. And if you wanna edit your shape, you can simply come into the shape format. If you wanna edit your shape from edit points, you can simply click edit point and you can simply select from here edit points and you can make your shape as you want. And if you want a text box, select text box. To add text, you can simply select text box and you can put here and you can like you can write text if you want. And coming to again shape format. So if you want to make your shape fill color, select shape fill, keep any kind of color you want, you can fill from here. And if you want more fill colors, you can click more fill colors and you can select from here any one of you can want, just like this. And if you want to make it outline, select shape outline and you can select any of your color that you want from here. And if you have not the color you want, you can simply select more outline colors and you can select from here any of the color. And if you want to make your outline thick, or if you want to make it in design form, you can simply, if you want to make thick, choose fade option and you can select any of your outline from here. And if you want to make a design, you can select from sketched dashes any of you want when you what you want. Now coming to the option of shape effects, if you want to give effects to your shape, you can simply select any of your kind of shape effects from here. Preset, shadow, reflection, glows. If you want to make soft edges, you can select from here. If you want to give it a 3D look, you can select from here, just like this. Just look that. And these are the options of simple giving colors. If you want to add colors from here, simply select. Now come